Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Indian history. The invader Timur. He was great military commander. He conquered Persia, Iraq, and during Tughlaq time he invaded India in 1398. He acquired great amount of wealth from India and returned back to Central Asia. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.